This is my new onboard travel bag that I picked up from the Amazon team. There was different size options and obviously lots of different colours, which is great. I think this is the smallest one. And I was really surprised how big it is actually. Looking at it from like the back, it doesn't look the size of a normal rucksack, which is what I wanted. I didn't want something ridiculously huge because I'm not taking a great deal on the plane. I just want to take enough space for my hoodie and all those things. So this is what I was looking for. But it's still got bags of room in it. So looking on the front there, it looks like a typical rucksack. On the back there, you've got your lovely straps, nice and padded as well, which I was worried about for comfort, because obviously when it does get a bit heavy, it can get uncomfortable. But when you look at it from the side, it's got these expanders. The capacity suddenly becomes really impressive. Look at that. I mean, there's tons of room in there. There's easily enough in there for a couple of days of clothes, easily, and shoes as well. So there's a lot going on with this bag and I don't want to miss all the features. So let me start off. Let me start with the side. Okay, so you've got your clip there, which can tighten up to compress this down. So if you are concerned about being questioned about the size of your bag, you can compact it down as much as possible with the clips tightening those up. You've got a little side pocket here for a water bottle or an umbrella or anything else you like. On the front here, you've got a zippy compartment, which is going to be nice and perfect for documents, those kind of things, your keys, your like your earbuds maybe. But there's plenty of room in there. It feels kind of like water resistant as well. So if you get anything, maybe lotions and stuff, I think it'd be really fine in there. You've got the cute little emblem, which I think is a nice touch. On the top here, you've got two carry handles, which I probably will be using quite a lot. I'm quite more of a bag person than a rucksack, but I understand the practicalities of having a rucksack. It does have double here, so if you wanted to put a padlock on this, you could, which is a nice touch as well. Again, the other side, you've got identical. You've got another thingy bob for, again, more water bottles and all those things, tripods, whatever, and again another latch to tighten up. On the reverse side, you've got that strap which goes over your suitcase. So if you've got a pull along suitcase and you pull up the handle, this slides over it. So if you want to have it stacked and just trundle along with your suitcase, you can. It's not going to get fallen off or pulled off very easily. You've also got a secret pouch here, unzips. This is really thick. I think this is ARFID if I remember, so it's going to be really secure. It's really thick. Can you see how thick that is? Going to be perfect for your phone, because obviously it's so thick, if it falls down it's not going to get damaged, but also good for things like your wallet, your keys, those are kind of things, because if you're wearing this, of course, this is going to be on your back, so no one's going to be able to get into this very easily because your back's covering up. So that is there. And on the base there is a nice thick water resistant base, nice and simple. That's the outside. Let's move on to the inside. You've got your big zippy here, which has got all your compartments in it, which I think perfect for passports, your travel documents, your pen for filling in your visa, which I always forget, pen loop, your lipstick, maybe your deodorant as well. I tried to keep all of my things I need to take out and put into the buckety thing at the airport in one place. This is going to be the place I put it all. So there's that there, nice and deep. Probably get your book in there as well. And the next zippy is the big one, and this is the one obviously where you'd put your clothes, your shoes, your hoodie, your coat, all those things in there. You've got the little strappy there to keep it all nice and tight and snug. And again, this is really thick actually. If you look, it is quite thick. So this isn't like bad quality. This is a really nice quality bag. This actually blew away my expectations of this product. And also on the side, there is a little thing for a cable loop. So if you want to put your charger inside your bag and have it pulled out discreetly, and just maybe like if you're falling asleep, you want to put it on the floor, charge up your phone or your device, you can. So there's that there as well. Basically going to be giving this to my husband because I want to go and get a different colour. I want to get the white one, I think. But yeah, this is going to be such a practical purchase for a trip. There's nothing more I could ask of a carry-on bag than this gives me. As I say, I think this is, I did buy the smallest one, so if you, and this is like Ryanair and EasyJet and all those things suitable, so you definitely could size up. I think the size is also the depth as well. You can definitely size up to make it more of a weekender bag. It's going to be absolutely perfect for all your documents, your book, your Kindle, your tablet, your drinks, all that stuff. Perfect for when you're sitting there waiting to take off, or you're on your train somewhere lovely. Basically, it's blown away my expectations. So what a fab bag.